Hello, today I'm in Jeep Renegade. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. To enable cruise control, simply press this button. Now, accelerate to desired speed and then press set button. Now, to increase the speed, press set plus button. To decrease it, press set minus button. To pause the cruise control, press the cancel. And to reset cruise control, press the reset. To disable it, press this button again. You can see that cruise control is enabled or disabled by the icon right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.